Hello beautiful people, this is Ankita Mallick here back again with a Diwali makeup look. So to begin with, I'm taking the Nykaa Skin Potion Glow Boosting Facial Oil and applying it all over my face and gently massaging it into my skin. No matter what time or occasion it is, skin prepping is a must before you apply any makeup on your skin. Next, I am taking the Nykaa Prep Me Up Face Primer and I am applying it mostly focusing on the center of my face, which will not only blur out the pores I have on my nose but will also hold the makeup long for the evening. For the foundation, I am taking the L'Oreal Paris Infallible Pro Matte Foundation in shade 105 Natural Beige with Maybelline Fit Me Foundation in shade 330 Toffee and applying it all over my face using a damp beauty sponge by gently dabbing it on my skin. For the concealer, I am taking the L.A.Girl Pro HD Concealer in shade Pure Beige and applying it to cover up the darkness under my eyes. And using the pointy side of the damp beauty sponge to blend in all the products evenly under my eyes, making sure it doesn't get settled on the creases or the lines. I'm taking the Swiss Beauty Liquid Concealer in shade Medium Beige and applying it just on the inner corner of my eyes and also on the outer corner and also on the center of my face to highlight it. Using the damp beauty sponge, I'm gently dabbing the sponge on my skin to help the product blend in without disturbing the base makeup. Applying a little bit of lighter shade around the inner corner of the eyes makes your eyes look more open up and it adds a lift to your eyes when you apply a lighter shade concealer around the outer corner. So always make sure if you are tired and your face looks dull, then follow this simple tip to add some freshness to your face. Now to set the concealer that I have applied on my face, I am taking the Maybelline New York Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder in shade 20 Light Medium and using a damp beauty sponge, I am gently pressing or dabbing the powder on my skin to avoid any creasing and set the makeup base. Now for the brows, I am taking the Incolors Delicate Eyebrow Palette number 2 and filling in my brows so that it looks more enhanced and perfectly in shape. Now for the eye makeup, I'm taking the Miss Claire Makeup Studio Eyeshadow Palette number 3 and I picked up the bronze shade and I'm blending the shade all over my eyelid using a round blending brush. I'm making sure the edges are well blended and the shade looks well diffused without looking any harsh or patchy. Next, I'm picking up this darker shade with a pencil brush and I'm blending it just around the outer corner of my eyes, kind of faking a wing eyeliner look. And I'm taking my time to blend the shadow properly so that it doesn't look like a sharp line. I'm taking the Maybelline New York Falsies Lash Lift Waterproof Mascara, and first I'm removing the excess of the mascara from the wand and then applying it on my upper lashes and also on the lower lashes. This is such a beautiful mascara which is not only waterproof but also adds a good amount of volume to the lashes, making it curl and stand out, perfect for the festive season. So if you can get your hands on this mascara, then definitely do try this out. Now to contour my face, I'm taking the Wet n Wild contour stick in Oaks on You and applying it on the usual places of my face to reduce the focus on these areas and make my face look sharp and sculpted. I'm using my damp beauty sponge to blend in the product on my skin. Next, I am taking the Makeup Revolution Blusher Reloaded in shade Peaches and Cream and applying it on my cheekbones. It's an evening festive makeup look, so you don't want to go for a very sunburn blush effect. So choose a very subtle blush shade for this Diwali evening so that it looks very natural. I'm taking the Maybelline New York Master Chrome Illuminating Metallic Highlighter in shade Molten Gold and highlighting the high points of my face because it's Diwali and when there's lights everywhere, you cannot miss out on highlighter. So to make your face look glowy under the lights and also on the Diwali pictures, don't forget to highlight your beautiful face. Lastly, I am taking the Nykaa All Day Matte Waterproof, Transfer Proof and Mask Proof 12 Hours Liquid Lipstick in shade Dear Dog for the lips because it's Diwali and we are going to have some sweets and we don't want to ruin our lipsticks with all the eatings. To complete the look, I'm gonna wear these beautiful earrings that I had ordered from Amazon. All the links will be mentioned below, so you can check them out in the description box below. And so this is the final look. I really hope you like this festive makeup look, which is really very easy to create and wearable. If you create this look, then don't forget to tag me on Instagram. Before you go, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the like button if you loved watching this makeup tutorial, and also share this video with your girlfriends, and I will see you in my next. Wishing you all a very happy Diwali. Stay safe.